Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for Teams. Work together and get more done with powerful team scheduling. Invite multiple users to set up their own availability. Set up and manage all members from one place. Pull your team's availability and auto-assign meetings. Integrate with your team's favorite tools. Collaborate with your team and close more deals together. Control each team member's availability with custom schedules. Pull your sales team in a round robin for even meeting distribution. Assign priority status to lead sales team members. Review your team's performance from one centralized dashboard. Translate your booking page language for international clients. Book more meetings with an easy scheduling tool that matches your brand. Embed Appointlet on your site and turn visitors into booked meetings. Send Appointlet links over email and stand out with easy scheduling. Customize your booking page to match your brand. Connect your email calendar to prevent double bookings. Appointlet generates calendar events for both parties automatically. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.